I kind of like 3. A lot of people bitched about it.
I fucking
thought it-
love 3. It's not like I have much of a choice. I can't really play 2 without lagging.
You know what part of 3 I like the most?
What?
The part where you go into the internet and the boss makes you fucking fight while he lag switches you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Nigga.
Hi,
Making a phone
Frost.
call. Did you do it
Destroy the
yet?
prison bus.
Oh, Frost. How's it
Frost,
going?
Frost, I have a client for you. It's me. Kill the bitch.
Invite Frost to our group. Frost, let me in.
Frost, kill the bitch.
Oh, fuck.
What are you doing? Yeah.
Do you want me to fly that for you?
Ah. Transport. Don't let her get on.
Oh,
We need to murder the green.
okay. Hey, guys. No! Oh my god.
Holy fuck. That was
You
amazing.
dumbass!
How did I survive that?
It's because Kip has friendly fire on so we can't hurt each other.
You're a fucking maniac.